I will talk about how can you fix all problems you have on your Fortnite app. So all you have to do in a new version of Fortnite app, like you say, it's going to show for you like this here when you download it. So in first, if you have no options to download your Fortnite, I'm going to show for you the way how can you download it. Just click on Google Chrome here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. I'm going to open my Google here and you just click on search, add here Fortnite download. So you add Fortnite download here. So then you just go down to find here Fortnite for Android here. So you just click on it. It's going to show for you like this. So then you just click here on get the last version here. It's going to show for you like this. You just add it. So then automatically it's going to download the video here because I have this version here. So and can you find it only on your Play Store from iPhone or Android can you download it like I show you in the first. So if your location in USA or another country can you find it in your Play Store. So to fix problems you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to show for you like this here. So then you just go down here, you keep going down until you will find here apps, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you like this. In here can you looking for Fortnite app or just click on search, add here Fortnite. It's going to show for you like this here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down here, click on storage. You come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. So when you just click here on clear cache, then all you have to do, so can you restart your phone and start it again, or just you go to your Play Store. Sorry, you come here to this list and can you uh, restart your Wi-Fi and start it again. Then you go to your game, your Fortnite game. Then automatically it's going to open with you on your, or it's going to fix all problems you have on your Fortnite app. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.